In this video, we are going to take a look at communicating with students with announcements in Canvas. For more information, please visit SDCCD Online Learning Pathways Open On Demand site at sdccdolvid.org. Announcements in Canvas are used to communicate with students about your class. Students see announcements in the Canvas course, in email, and on the Canvas mobile app by default. Announcements are one of the single most useful tools in any learning management system. Use announcements for things like reminding students about assignment and quiz deadlines, directing students to learning resources that will help them succeed in your class, sharing video or audio comments to create a positive, accessible instructional tone, acknowledging student or class success, or notifying students about inclement events that affect the course like weather or institutional closures. The good news is, creating an announcement is easy. You can create an announcement directly on the course homepage by clicking the New Announcement button in the sidebar, or you can create an announcement on the Announcements page by clicking the New Announcement button at the top right of the screen. The Announcements page also gives you access to a list of the other announcements you've created over time. Here, you can manage all your announcements. To search for an announcement, type a search term into the search field at the top of the window. To view announcements you haven't read yet, click the Unread button. Each announcement has a settings menu. Depending on your course configuration, the settings menu gives you access to delete an announcement or to close it for comments. Create a new announcement by clicking the Add Announcement button. Create your announcement by first adding a title. Use the content editor to format your announcement message. You can embed an image in your announcement, or below the content editor, you can attach the image to your message. Using an image or a video in an announcement is a great way to create visual interest and to encourage students to pay closer attention to your communication. As they say, a screencast video is worth 1,000 words. No matter what content is in your message, you also have a few other options when creating an announcement. First, you can delay posting by setting a future date and time to post your announcement. You can also select whether to allow liking for announcements if you want to take a social media approach to your communication. When you're finished editing your announcement, click Save. As soon as you've created an announcement, Canvas will notify your students according to their notification preferences. You can also customize course announcement settings in your course settings under the Course Details tab and more options. You can choose to show up to 15 recent announcements on your course homepage. You can also disable comments on your announcements if you don't want students to comment on your messages. This is highly recommended. And there you have it. For more information, please visit SDCCD Online Learning Pathways Open On Demand site at sdccdolvid.org. Thanks for watching.